Today, we've created an earnings intelligence agent that can review company earnings as they happen, as well as backfill them going back in the past and review whether or not they met, exceeded, or underperformed. And the great thing about this is the way we've done it with Nimble Web Search Agents is that we actually have a direct citation for every piece of information here, so we can really have a lot of trust that the information is accurate. We have an overall scorecard where we can see by ticker and by quarter, and we can also drill down to particular companies, such as Netflix, which I just did, where we can see that Netflix beat almost every quarter since quarter 2 of 2024, except for one miss in quarter 3 of 2025, where their EPS, net income, operating margin, and revenue underperformed. The way that we built this is using Nimble's Web Search Agent. This is our guidance scorecard agent. It uses a lot of Nimble's features. It has the research use case, which we're using in order to discover information most efficiently and to conduct deep research, deep into fact across a variety of sources, high effort, by which it goes deeply as possible and maintains data accuracy and trust at the highest level possible. We have a detailed domain expertise, which guides the agent on its task. We have a list of sources. We're prioritizing official earning releases and SEC filings. We're avoiding forums, message boards, and unsourced blog commentary. And we even have an allow list of domains here that includes sec.gov, fool.com, Reuters, CNBC, Bloomberg, Yahoo, amongst others. We've set our goals, which guide the agent through the process that we want it to do and the things that we want it to achieve, and the output schema, which defines the data. Speaking of data, we're using Snowflake to store all of the information. We actually have a ledger here where each and every claim is saved for each ticker, for each quarter, report date, metric, the raw metric. So we have a host of information, and everything is very meticulous. And for each claim, we can also see the source. We can also see a host of information, the run that it came from. And this really is part of the chain that lets us trust the information that we have. One other cool feature about the app that we're able to do is because this is all powered by Llama Index, we can actually ask questions in real time. Natural language automatically gets converted into the SQL that runs on Snowflake and gets us our answer. Looks like our answer is Meta, and they're the ones that outperform the most in a single quarter. Hope you enjoyed this demo and that it demonstrated to you some of the function that Nimble Web Search Agents can give in financial applications.